Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Learning Room. This is Lecture 9 of our crash course in morphology. In this lecture, we will talk about word formation processes. This is a very important topic of morphology subject. And in this topic, we will learn how languages make new words. So let's get started. Let's first get the most basic question out of the way, and that is, what is meant by word formation processes? Word formation process refers to the ways a language creates new words or changes existing words to express new meanings, functions, or grammatical categories. In simple words, we can say that word formation processes explain how words are made in a language. But if you are looking forward to define this notion properly, then we can say word formation processes are the linguistic mechanisms through which new words are formed from existing words, morphemes, or sounds. Now another important question arises. Why word formation is important? It is important because understanding word formation helps us expand vocabulary. It helps us understand word meanings easily. It also helps us analyze unfamiliar words. It also studies how languages grow and change. Lastly, it teaches spelling, pronunciation, and grammar effectively. Which is why word formation processes are super useful for linguistics students and for linguistics inside of the languages. Now let's take a look at these words formation processes which are helping languages in increasing their vocabularies. Some common word formation processes are 1. Compounding 2. Borrowing 3. Clipping 4. Blending 5. Derivation 6. Inflection 7. Conversion 8. Coinage 9. Backformation 10. Abbreviation 11. Acronym 12. Reduplication 13. Onomatopoeia 14. Eponymy. Now one by one we will study about them in detail. The first word formation process we will take about is compounding. Compounding is a word formation process where two words are joined together to form a new word. For example, the words blackboard and heartfelt are compound words. They are made up of the two words. These two words, back and board, at the same time have their own meaning, but in combination they give different meaning and work as a one body, so as heart and felt. Compounding is a very common process in most languages of the world, especially among synthetic languages. In English language, compound words have the following characteristics. First, compound words behave grammatically and semantically as single words. Second, since compound word behaves as one unit, between its component elements no affixes can occur, whether it is inflection or derivation. Third, inflectional suffixes can appear only after compound words. For examples, in word bathrooms, inflection suffix s is appearing at the end of word to make it plural. Likewise in word schools and buses. Compound words are written with three different ways in English language. First is open style. Some compound words are written with a space between the parts of the compound, like toy store, diving board, and flower pot, as space can be seen in the two components of each word. Second is hyphenated style. Some compound words are written with a hyphen mark separating the elements of the compound, like flower pot, air brake, shiponi. In these examples, it can be seen clearly that the words are written with a small hyphen mark inside the two components of each words. Third is solid way. Some compound words are written without a space or hyphen between the component elements of the compound, like flower pot, washrooms, pickpocket. These examples illustrate that these words' components have nothing between them. The next process is borrowing. Borrowing is a word formation process where words are taken from other languages with the concept and idea they stand for in their native language. For examples, pizza is an Italian word, and all languages have borrowed this word exactly the same. Likewise, word bungalow is an Urdu language word, and English language has borrowed it exactly the same. The word which is borrowed into a new long-gauge system is known as loanword. Sometimes these loanwords are adopted into new language system without any change in the meaning, grammatical category of word, and the pronunciation. But sometimes these loanwords are adapted into new language system with some changes. It might be in the meaning of the word, or in the grammatical category of the word, or it can be in the sound. The language from which a loanword is borrowed is known as source long-gauge or donor language. The language which take up a loanword in its system with or without any changes is known as recipient language or beneficiary language. Now we will discuss clipping word formation process. Clipping is a word formation process whereby new words are formed by shortening the form. For example, word phone is formed by shortening the word telephone, and word plane is formed by shortening the word airplane, so as the word ad formed from advertisement. Clipping word formation is interesting because it has further 3 types. And these are front clipping, middle clipping, and back clipping. So first we have front clipping. Front clipping retains the final part of the prototype or word. For examples, bought from robot in this example, it can be seen that the final part of the word bought is used to form a new word by reducing the front part, ro. And shoot from parachute. Likewise, last part of the word shoot is retained and the front part of the word para is dropped. So as the roach from cockroach. Next is middle clipping. As the name suggests, only the middle part of the word retains in this word formation process. For examples, flu from influenza. In this example, the first and final part of the word is dropped and the middle part is used to form a new word. So as the case with frig or fridge, which is formed from refrigerator. Third and last type is back clipping. Here, final or back clipping is the most common type, in which the beginning of the prototype or word is retained. Examples. Word cable is formed from cablegram as the last part of the word gram is dropped and the first part of the word, cable, retained. Doc from doctor is another example of this process. Likewise, word exam from examination and gas from gasoline. Up next is blending. It is the process whereby new words are formed by combining parts of 2 words, usually the beginning of one word and the end of another. In other means we need the parts of 2 different words to make a new word. The result of this process is known as blend. Means the new formed word is known as blend word. Now let's take some examples. Word smog is actually a combination of 2 words, smoke plus fog, and brunch word is formed by breakfast plus lunch. Another word, heliport, is mixture of helicopter plus airport, and motel is the result of motor plus hotel. That's all for today's lecture. The remaining word formation processes will be covered in part 2 of this lecture series on the same topic. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next lecture. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer them. Your feedback really matters to us, so let us know whether these lectures are helpful and how we can make them even better. Your room to learn is just a click away. Like and subscribe today.